Good evening, everyone. So, today we are going to start with Module 5 of Basic Functional Nutrition course. So, let me just share my screen. Okay. I hope this is visible. All right. So, without wasting any time, we'll start with the session that's Hormones Made Simple. Okay. So, we will simplify the hormones today. Most people think that hormones are complicated or scary, but actually they are just as body's messengers. Okay? So, for example, if somebody is feeling tired or gaining weight easily or feeling irritable, that is not the weakness. That's often a signal that your hormones are giving. Okay? Okay, so hormones are chemical messengers. Okay, to think of this like a WhatsApp messages sent inside the body. Okay, for example, like if the blood sugar rises after eating, okay, so insulin gets the message to open the cells and let the sugar in. Okay, so or agar if it is like a night time, so melatonin gets the message that it is the time to sleep. ठीक है, so अगर ये जो hormones हैं ये clear होंगे, ये messages जो हैं ये clear होंगे to the body, so the body feels balanced. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर ये messages जो है वो confused होंगे, so we will feel tired, we can feel anxious, and we can feel bloated also. ठीक है, so today we are going to learn what hormones are. ठीक है, as I said, they are the chemical messengers. ठीक है, why energy, mood and weight fluctuates. ठीक है, how do it is related with the thyroid, insulin and stress thing. ठीक है, and daily habits to balance the hormones. ठीक है, so that it should be a clarity rather than a confusion. ठीक है, so hormones are basically the chemical messengers made by the glands. ठीक है, so they travel through the blood and give instructions to the organ. ठीक है, जैसे for example TSH will give command to the thyroid gland to produce T4 and T3. ठीक है, so they decide. ठीक है, basically body is driven by hormone signals. Okay. So, whenever you eat food, so insulin get the message to move the sugar into the cells. क्योंकि फिर बाहर अगर वो घूम रही है blood में, so it doesn't make any sense. ठीक है. So vice versa, जब भी हम stress में जाएंगे, तो the cortisol will raise the body's alertness level. ठीक है. So how do they decide? तो बर्न एनर्जी करना है या स्टोर करना है. ठीक है, सो इंसुलिन इज अ फैट स्टोरेज हार्मोन ऑल्सो. सेम इज लाइक अ मेलेटोनिन वाला फैक्टर, जहाँ पे स्लीप इज लाइक इट शुड बी इंड्यूस इन द इवनिंग टाइम. ठीक है, अगर वो ही मॉर्निंग तक वो नहीं जाएगा, लेट गो नहीं होगा, तो बॉडी विल नॉट एबल टू रेस्ट प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, सेम इज विद द कॉर्टिसोल. इफ बॉडी इज ऑलवेज बिजी इन दिस फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड, बार बार शुगर रेज हो रही है और फिर क्रैश हो रही है, सो कहीं ना कहीं वो सिर्फ शुगर मैनेजमेंट में ही पड़ा रहेगा. सो जितने ये मैसेजेस हैं जो क्लियर होंगे, तो बॉडी विल फील गुड. एंड अगर वो मिक्स्ड मैसेजेस होंगे, ठीक है, मॉर्निंग टाइम एंड योर cortisol is like low, it's not supporting, but you need a kick to do work and all those things. So we don't want at that time lethargy should come, but vice versa, we want that lethargy should come in the evening part. So if these messages are mixed, ठीक है, कितनी बार ऐसे पेशेंट के डायग्नोस में लिखा होता है एड्रीनल इनसफिशियंसी या कॉर्टिसोल इनसफिशियंसी. सो यूजली दे आर लाइक मिक्स्ड मैसेजेस. तो फिर वहां पे बॉडी कंफ्यूज होती है या वे ऑफ होती है. So why people feel hormonal? So what I mean by this is when someone says that I feel off or I feel tired, but I don't know why, and I'm gaining weight. So this is often a hormonal imbalance. ठीक है, for example, like sleeping 8 hours, but still you are feeling tired. So that could be because of the thyroid or a cortisol imbalance. ठीक है, so again constant craving. हो रही है तो दैट विल लीड टू इंसुलिन फ्लक्चुएशंस। ठीक है, तो कॉमन सिम्टम्स क्या होंगे? लो एनर्जी डिस्पाइट ऑफ रेस्ट, वेट गेन और स्टक्ड वेट, दिस इज वेरी कॉमन। मूड स्विंग्स हो सकते हैं, हेयर फॉल हो सकता है, ब्रेन फॉग, लाइक you were doing something but you were thinking about something else, so you are not able to concentrate on one thing. ठीक है, so cravings, people will say I crave for like meetha, or I crave for a particular thing like chocolates and all, though I'm fed fully but still I feel that I should, so after some time it becomes a habit also. ठीक है, next can be poor sleep or anxiety or low motivation, so this is often a hormonal imbalance, not a lack of willpower. ओके, सो थायराइड द मेटाबॉलिज्म कंट्रोलर, ये हमको सबको पता है, द थायराइड इज लाइक योर स्पीड रेगुलेटर। ठीक है, सो इमेजिन लाइक देयर इज अ सीलिंग फैन, सो इफ द फैन runs too slow, so the room will feel heavy. ठीक है, on the other hand, if the fan runs too fast, so the room will feel too windy. ठीक है, so thyroid control basically your metabolism speed, like your energy speed, your digestion speed, your hair growth, even your body temperature also. Okay, so if like digestion is slow plus weight increases, so the person may feel cold, like usually it happens in thyroid. So it is a thyroid hormonal all excess को हम कह सकते हैं कि it regulates the metabolism, it regulates the body temperature, it regulates the digestion, skin, energy level, mood stability, all of the things. So if the thyroid will go haywire, we will definitely feel off it. ओके, तो जब स्लो होता है तो व्हाट कैन बी द सिम्टम्स? फटीग, वेट गेन, हेयर फॉल, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, फीलिंग कोल्ड, पफी फेस हो जाता है। कई बार मॉर्निंग में जब आप उठते हो तो वाटर रिटेंशन इज ऑल्सो देयर, लाइक यू कैन फील इन योर हैंड्स एंड फेस, एंड देन देयर इज लो मूड। ठीक है, सो a person maybe he comes to you and he'll say that I am eating normal but still my weight is like I'm gaining weight. Okay, or I am feeling tired in the afternoon, or maybe I'm having too dry skin. So that's the signal of a slow metabolism. When so this can happen in slow thyroid. So फास्ट थायराइड जब चलेगा वाइस वर्सा, उसमें दैट सिस्टम इज रनिंग टू फास्ट, सो वहां पे एंजाइटी हो सकती है, पैल्पिटेशन हो सकता है, वेट लॉस हो सकता है, स्वेटिंग हो सकता है, टू मच रेस्टलेसनेस हो सकता है। सो इट्स लाइक अ pressing the accelerator too hard, so body is burning energy quickly. So the balance is the key, not the slow thyroid and not the fast thyroid, दोनों ही नहीं चाहिए। So, what supports the thyroid metabolism? So, first and foremost is the adequate protein. So, when it comes to the conversion, the one thing which comes is the essential amino acid, which is very, very important. That's like tyrosine. So, protein जो है, as by nature also, it supports the functioning of the thyroid gland. ठीक है, सो इन ऑप्टिमम प्रोटीन होगा डाइट में तो वो जो थायराइड हार्मोन का जो फंक्शन है उसको एडिक्वेट रखेगा। देन इज सॉल्ट इन मॉडरेशन, दैट मीन्स नॉट टू मच। ठीक है, देन इज योर nuts and seeds like zinc, selenium, all these things body needs it on daily basis. Then is the stress control, which is very important. ठीक है, so if a person is like dieting too strictly and has a high stress, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा डाइटिंग कर रहे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा कैलोरी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड डाइट ले रहे हैं, तो थायराइड क्या करेगा? वो स्लो डाउन हो जाएगा टू प्रोटेक्ट द बॉडी। ठीक है, ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द इंसुलिन, दिस इज द शुगर मैनेजर। ठीक है, सो एज द नेम सजेस्ट, व्हाट डज इंसुलिन डू? सो जब भी आप खाना खाते हो तो उसके बाद पोस्ट इफेक्ट इज लाइक जो शुगर है, डाइजेस्टेड शुगर फ्रॉम द फूड विल एंटर द ब्लड। ठीक है, बट नाउ दैट शुगर हैज टू एंटर द सेल फॉर द एनर्जी पर्पस, बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल इट इज सेल्यूलर न्यूट्रिशन, ब्लड में शुगर का घूमने का कोई काम नहीं है, ठीक है। सो इट शुड मेंटेन इट्स लेवल, नॉट टू हाई नॉट टू लो, ठीक है। इंसुलिन क्या करेगा, हेल्प करेगा शुगर को मूव करने में फ्रॉम द ब्लड टू द सेल्स इनसाइड, ठीक है, विच विल ऑटोमेटिकली कंट्रोल द हंगर एंड इट विल इन्फ्लुएंस द फैट स्टोरेज, कि जितना चाहिए वो ले लिया, बाकी का इट कैन मेक लाइक ग्लाइकोजन एंड इट कैन स्टोर इन द लिवर, ठीक है, and other tissues and muscles, and affects the energy level, ठीक है। So we feel good, we feel energized after having a meal, ठीक है। So if the insulin will work well, the sugar enters the cell and the body will generate its energy, ठीक है। लेकिन if the insulin is constantly high, so the body will only manage that sugar uptake part only, and it will not uh, kind of जो स्टोर्ड फैट है उसको वो बर्निंग पे नहीं डालेगा, ठीक है। सो हाई इंसुलिन के या इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस के साइंस क्या हो सकते हैं, बेली फैट, स्ट्रॉन्ग स्वीट क्रेविंग्स, स्लीपी आफ्टर मील्स, और मे बी फ्रीक्वेंट हंगर, ठीक है, डिफिकल्टी लूजिंग वेट, स्किन डार्कनिंग स्पेशली इन द नेक एंड द आर्मपिट एरियाज। So there's a line in the neck area. You can see it's like a rope usually what people have. So that is the sign you can see in obese people. So they do have dark armpit areas. They do have a prominent line on their neck. Okay, so the and then protruding belly. Usually, you can see in males, the pouch is like out. So that shows that insulin resistance or fatty liver is there. So, for a simple example, breakfast, if a person is having like tea biscuit, so it will give a crash at around 11 a.m., like 2 hours after. Or you can feel sleepy after having lunch. Okay, but that usually happens, but then it's more prominent in people with insulin resistance. Then evening cravings, especially of fried and of sweets, irrespective of like you were just having like sugars and carbs in the lunch. So this is a blood sugar spike and crash. Okay. So signs you can check. So that this means that the insulin is working overtime. Okay. Usually it should come, it should do its work and it should clear. But if it is staying for longer and not going back, then that is the concern which we need to look. So as I said, insulin supports habits. ठीक है, so what can they be? So adding a protein in every meal. आप हर मील में थोड़ा सा कुछ प्रोटीन ऐड कर सकते हो, जैसे for example is like poha. So instead of having a poha, you can combine it with a peanut and a til ka chutney with, you can have a little bit of like curd. So that gives a balanced carb and protein ratio. Same is with the other carbohydrates, including fiber. Instead of just adding fruits, you can add nuts also. Okay, reducing the sugar and maida. So this though everybody knows. Walking after meals, this supports and strengthens the muscles. Basically, muscle is the biggest sugar using organ. Okay, it cannot store, but it can use only the readily available thing. So more muscle will have more better insulin control. So strength training weekly, especially after 40, which will going to help you, and it will going to help you in like reducing the sagged skin also. You might have seen people with like sagged arm fat or sagged belly fat. So that kind of thing can be improved when your muscle weight is improved by doing a strength training. So, in the nutshell, movement improves the insulin sensitivity. So, we want the sensitivity of cells should be maintained. Next is the cortisol. So, thyroid, insulin, and cortisol. So, these are the three hormones which drives the major show in the body. So cortisol is a stress hormone. It is not bad because it helps you wake up. ठीक है, so morning में the cortisol should be high and evening में it should drop down. ठीक है, so that the body can relax and rejuvenate itself. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर वो सारा टाइम बड़ा ही रहेगा तो that will create a problem. ठीक है, so इसको ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं कि when you suddenly hear a loud sound, so the cortisol rises, so the alertness increases. So that's needed for the body, but that should clear off. ठीक है, so cortisol regulates the wake up energy as well as the stress response, blood sugars during the stress. ठीक है, तो blood sugar usually elevates during the stress, so that's that time your cortisol should support. And short term inflammation. So short term में अगर inflammation में it is high like in fever or something, then it's okay, but it should go by itself. ठीक है, so it is helpful but only in balance. ठीक है, so when the cortisol is high, what drives actually it to be high is chronic stress. ठीक है, तो constant deadlines, even going to the office at a particular time is a biggest stress. ठीक है, फैमिली स्ट्रेस हो सकता है, पुअर स्लीप हो सकता है, या फिर टू मच कैफीन इफ यू आर हैविंग 8 8 10 10 cups of tea, coffee and other things, so they may stimulate the system every time. Symptoms can be again the belly fat, anxiety, sugar craving, irritability. People are usually irritable, and energy crashes. ठीक है, waking up at 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning. ये बहुत ज्यादा बार होता है कि जो भी डिनर में खाया वो दैट इज बीइंग डाइजेस्टेड एंड एसिमिलेटेड बाय 2 o'clock like, and then there's a sudden energy drop. ठीक है, so that is a sign where we can check, and you are like sweaty and everything, so that time uh, the body commands it to maintain the sugar levels. Again, it basically it happens when you have too many deficiencies around in the body, so body thinks it uh, always in danger. ठीक है, सो ये चीजें जो हैं ये नहीं होना चाहिए. बट वेन कॉर्टिसोल इज लो, ठीक है, जब वो लो होगा तो क्या होगा, सो आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग स्ट्रेस, ठीक है, बार बार कॉम्पनसेशन की वजह से भी हो सकता है दैट इट वाज कॉम्पनसेटिंग एंड सडनली द लेवल्स हैव बिकम लो. मॉर्निंग फटीग हो सकता है, डिजीनेस हो सकता है, लो मोटिवेशन, वीकनेस हो सकता है, फीलिंग ड्रेन्ड हो सकता है. सो again, a person feels I cannot get out of the bed, or I feel tired even after coffee, or no motivation. So the stress system becomes exhausted. ठीक है, what supports the cortisol habit wise is a morning sunlight, which is very very important, and it resets the cortisol rhythm. ठीक है, then is the deep breathing. So this actually signals safety to the brain. ठीक है, third is the balanced meal कि time पे खाइए, so that it prevents the stress spikes. ठीक है, and try to wind up or sleep by like 10 or 11. ठीक है, so limit a caffeine, especially late caffeine shots. ठीक है, and calm nervous system is balanced cortisol. ठीक है, so 5 minutes slow breathing also lowers the stress hormones. So these all things will support the cortisol or will lead to a balanced cortisol. So hormones affect men and women. Okay, so women notice more like PMS, irregular cycles, bloating, mood swings, or menopausal changes. And men may notice low energy, belly fat, low libido, irritability, poor concentration. So hormones are basically humans and not gender specific. Okay, so usually uh, a man with a stress, with a poor sleep, is usually a low testosterone and high cortisol. ठीक है, तो टेस्टोस्टेरॉन इज नीडेड फॉर द मसल बिल्डअप ऑल्सो, ठीक है. सो सेम वेज women may notice like PMS or bloating. So hormones affect everyone, ठीक है, men, women, everyone. So it is not a gender specific, it is human specific. Common hormone disruptors. So, chronic stress, maybe skipping meals, or over dieting, or poor sleep, or sitting all the day for longer hours, or using too much sugar or excess caffeine. Okay? So, these are things like over dieting somewhere. Okay? Lack of sunlight, you are hardly exposed to sunlight because of your job and other things. Nutrient deficiencies, which is very common, like vitamin D, B12, magnesium. So these zinc. So these are the things which actually drives the body. Sleeping at erratic timings, like 1 baje so gaye raat ko. So the cortisol rhythm disturbs. You are just scrolling your phone at night, not doing anything active. So slowly it disrupts your regular rhythm, and which will affect your insulin and your affect your weight, vice versa. So hormone friendly food habits क्या हो सकती हैं? As I said, protein in every meal so that we should feel safe. Building repair जो है वो हो सके. Healthy fats, ठीक है, in terms of like nut seeds, ghee, olive oil. I don't know why people are afraid from like using ghee in the diet, but it's preferable actually. Not too much, and should not use it as a frying medium, but otherwise you can use it. Fiber tells the insulin to release slowly, ठीक है, तो जितना ज्यादा फाइबर होगा, कंट्रोल्ड कार्ब होगा, उतना आपका वेट अच्छे से मैनेज होगा, उतना शुगर स्पाइक्स कम होंगे, उतना हाइपर की टेंडेंसी कम होगी. यूजिंग anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, this will also help to, because there are like four tastes: so salty, sweet, sour, and bitter. So usually adding a bitter also will balance the body's energy system. So food is a hormonal information, okay. So again, these all things will slowly help. Then very important is movement and sleep. So walking improves insulin and strength training improves metabolism. So, and a sleep resets all the hormones. So movement like 30 minutes walking, or strength training maybe twice or thrice a week, or yoga, stretching. Sleeping at a fixed time. This is very, very important so that the body function in that window only. No screen times before bed so that you can digitally detox your body. So, 3 days of poor sleep will increase the cravings significantly. Okay? So, you can, I don't want you to do this exercise, but I'm just telling you that this can happen. So, that's why fixing timing of sleep is very, very important. Then stress reset tools. So sometimes it is like overthinking or self-criticism or a constant rush. Okay? The simple tools are like breathing or journaling or a nature time will help reset. Okay? Your nervous system to calm down. So it regulates stress. When you regulate the stress, it automatically regulates the hormones. So we say that walking barefoot on the grass or in a sand like that also helps you, because this is, after all, this is animal body, and the negative ions that get absorbed in the earth, and you are charged with positive ions. So it's very, very good exercise, especially if you can do it in the morning or the evening hours. So gives you a connection with the mother earth as well. So simple daily hormone routine is like morning sunlight plus protein breakfast, okay, with a light movement. Afternoon it should be a balanced plate. Evening again walk or stretch a little, and if you want, you can add in some good herbal tea that will support the hydration and will bring down the craving part also. ठीक है. रात को स्पेशली इट शुड बी अ लाइट डिनर बिकॉज दिस इज अ wind down time. ठीक है. So kind of a wind up everything. So no screen, and it's better always to sleep early. So यहाँ पे what matters is basically the consistency. ठीक है, rather than a perfection. So consistency matters more rather than a perfection. So you should start doing small little points, and it will give you benefits. You will observe over a period of time that yes, my health and my cravings are gone down. So hormones are helpers, not enemies. Okay, so when food, sleep, movement, stress, they all are balanced, so automatically your energy improves. Okay, so weight becomes manageable. मूड स्टेबलाइजेस, मूड स्टेबल होगा आपका. ठीक है, क्रेविंग्स कम होंगी एंड कॉन्फिडेंस इंक्रीजेस. ठीक है, यू विल फील सेफ इंटरनली first, and then it will start reflecting in your day-to-day life also. So these are the small little practices which I think we have forgotten with time because of our busy schedules, or maybe we are running the activities one after the other, trying to catch everything. So we cannot do all the things. Okay? Only a sound body and a sound mind can able to catch up with all those stresses which are already there, like a traffic jam or going to a meeting on a particular timing. So these are like cooking food for the family, especially in the females. ठीक है, going to a particular place on a particular time, or catching the maintaining the antho of the meeting. So these all things will are basically affecting you on day-to-day basis. ठीक है, but when your food, your lifestyle, your sleep are balanced, you are able to match or catch the uh, like everyday's challenges in a better and a sound way. So this was all. So we do not fight with the hormones, we support them. Okay? And understand hormones without fear and confusion. So you can start making it a little things. So this was all for today. Next module will be catching up for the uh, nutrition for kids. So we will discuss about how to take care of your kids, and then the next session is like for elderly people. So till now we have covered like half of our course, and I have given you the PDF of 5 modules. By the end of next week, I'll be able to give you the pending material also, and we will uh, meet next Monday for the class. For the topic will be nutrition for kids, so do not miss it. So I'll stop share here, and if you have any questions, you can ask. Okay, what was it? Okay, ठीक है. So
इसमें
anything you want to
हाँ
ask?
शिवानी, ये जो लिखा हुआ है कि थायराइड सपोर्टिंग में ये कुछ सेलेनियम और जिंक है ना? और कोई सप्लीमेंट्स हैं जो आप प्रिस्क्राइब करोगे?
सप्लीमेंट्स हम तब लेते हैं बिकॉज वी कैन टेस्ट लाइक सीरम सेलेनियम लेवल्स,
अच्छा.
लेकिन उसका जरूरत नहीं पड़ता यूजुअली, बिकॉज इफ अ पर्सन इज लाइक नॉन वेजिटेरियन फिर तो देयर इज नथिंग. But if a person is vegetarian, so adding nuts, like especially a Brazil nut every day in the morning, so that will suffice the selenium intake for one day. So you don't need extra anything. In case you have like zinc deficiency, if it is coming on your like levels, so that time we can add like nuts and seeds and other things. So these are the sources. Do not depend upon supplement for everything. But yes, if we see that there is a poor conversion already of like T4 to T3, then yes, we add supplements accordingly
To support thyroid.
to support the conversion basically. So if the gut is not working, whatever, how nice your diet you are taking, no matter, until and unless your gut levels are not, I mean, your gut integrity is not good. So आप जितना मर्जी support कर लो वहां पे कुछ होगा ही नहीं. So you have to heal the gut lining first, and then you can going on to the like supplements or food or whatever. तो आपको उस short period में maybe we can use a supplement support, not every time.
लीकी गट के अंदर लीकी गट हो किसी का अगर, वो तो इन्फ्लेमेशन का पता लग ही जाता है, फेस पफी फेस और ये ठीक है ना.
हाँ जी.
तो इस केस में जैसे इसबगोल वगैरह, क्या उसको रीसेट कर सकता है?
Leaky gut में isabgol will not do, because at times it is linked with your small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. वो भी हो सकता है, तो वहां पे it is contradictory. So giving a isabgol to a person who's already having a leaky gut is not a solution. Rather than giving simple protein or simple good fat will going to help in leaky gut. We don't
अच्छा.
want to overburden with a fiber.
अच्छा, लीकी गट
ठीक
में
है.
फाइबर को
नहीं,
करना चाहिए.
already वो system is messed up. When you will add more fiber, it basically leaky gut में body is not absorbing the nutrients from the diet. ठीक है. So वो जो tight junctions हैं वो already they are messed up. So fermentable fiber हम फिर भी सोच सकते हैं वहां पे, but वो भी हम usually avoid ही करते हैं leaky gut.
अच्छा, और इसकी जगह हम प्रोबायोटिक्स वगैरह यूज कर ले, फर्मेंटेड.
प्रीबायोटिक्स प्रोबायोटिक्स भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं, बट उससे ज्यादा मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे हमें डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स काम आते हैं. वो
अच्छा,
ज्यादा
वो ले.
काम आते हैं. सो इफ
लीकी गट.
somebody's digestion is already poor, ठीक है, so adding a bulk will not help that person.
अच्छा.
So it is always adding a enzyme which will going to break down the food.
ओके.
ठीक है.
ठीक.
So
ओके,
I'll
थैंक यू.
end up the
काफी
meeting
अच्छा
here.
लेक्चर
Thank
था.
you, ma'am. Anything from like Monica? Want to ask anything?
No, ma'am, it's clear. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So we'll meet next week, same time with the next topic. See you then. Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Good evening.